Welcome back to my channel, friend. A young adventurer who documented his travel on YouTube has died in a freak snowstorm in the Swedish wilderness after sending a heart-breaking final message to his grandmother. Storm Beul 22, the nature lover who enjoyed being alone, was found dead in Lapland on October 30 after spending much of the year hiking solo through the remote Jokmoko region. He became cut in a devastating blizzard the night before telling his grandmother in a tragic final message. For more information, subscribe my channel. Thank you.